2 episodes, episode 7, episode 8. I'm gonna be watching both right now. This show gets you, and I'm starting to feel a bit attached to the show. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm really liking it, and I want to see Denji's dream, how he's going to accomplish it. I want to see the journey, and yeah, I'm just gonna watch it. Apparently he's gonna get his kiss today. Okay, let's see it. Let's watch it, guys. Inside of whatever this is. Yeah, go Denji. You got this. Ooh, oh, dude, they broke his arm. Oh, it went back. Dude. Will this even work? Because it seems to grow even more when you cut it. Wow. Where is his heart then? And then he's done. He's just gonna be swallowed. Dude, stop eating him. Whoa, they grab. Oh, whoa. Oh, he bit him. Oh, that's smart. Now he has more blood. I didn't know he can just eat blood. I didn't know he's like part vampire up in here. All right, sounds like a good way to get hepatitis, but okay. Whatever floats your boat. All right. And that's literally Denji. Of course. You just don't see it. Yeah, all right. I don't know. I think they got their screw loose deep inside. It has to come out. But Denji is just openly like screw loosed. Whoa, look at her. That's off the mission. Because she doesn't want Aki to die, and she knows that Aki is really, really serious about this. You made him an addict. I don't know. There needs to be... He is. He's super cool and serious. He needs someone a little crazy, a little bit unreasonable. You need someone that got nothing to lose. He's quite interesting, as Makima said. Hell no, it's not over. It ain't over till it's over, but it ain't over. He's just gonna keep doing it. Yeah. But what about his energy? Got a point there. Him and Power are a good duo. Where is she? Oh, they're oh, whoa. They're in the same place. I thought this was a flashback. Oh. He's sleeping. Oh, they don't have food. They're starving. Because Power ate it all. Dude, think of Denji. 3 days? It's over? How? No way. Is it? Or is she getting delusional? What's the weakness? Oh, somebody who doesn't fear. Do it! Do it! That's it! It's beating! Go! Don't get... Stop, Denji! Don't get egotist... Okay, good. I thought he was gonna get an ego for a second and get a little too proud. He did it! What the hell? Dude, he killed it! And he got it! Nice! Dude, now you gotta get your kiss! Catch him. Aww. Of course. Dude, he destroyed that. They're freaked the hell out. I don't blame him. Wow, they're really... No, don't! Not my boy Aki though. Aki would never do that. Even Power. Oh, actually Power did. I don't think they should quit. This is a good experience and a learning lesson, but I think they can grow a lot from it. I'm really excited to see their character progression. I'm scared of her, guys. I don't know what she's thinking. There's so much more to her. Like, she knows exactly how to manipulate every single person. Like, it's not just Denji. It's everyone. She knows how to motivate them. She manipulates them in order to motivate them. Which, is it really a bad thing? She is just using them. Aki, what do you think? Oh? Really? That's interesting. What is Denji? Who is he? I feel her there. Oh, Kobe! The little hat! Kobe! Rest in peace. Oh, she's actually really cute. Wait, who's this guy? Who's she? Who are these people? Look at his face. Yes, Denji. Oh. Help him, guys. What? Right now? Right here? Okay. Oh. I don't like the sound of that. I feel him there. I feel him there. Where's your rookie? Oh. Miss pissed. Missed. She okay? Oh yeah. Makima! Ooh! I don't know how to feel about this. I'm getting a... Gosh, how did she hear that? What? I was about to... Dude, he doesn't even know how to feel. In private. Look at Denji! Dude, she got some funky eyes. She ain't revealing much, huh? What the hell? Makima! She kind of fun, actually. I like her. She's still... Makima's like completely composed. I knew it. Denji. Let him eat. Has he ate already? Oh, Makima's... Oh my... Dude, he's looking at her and she's like... What? Ew. I was not prepared for that. Oh, he's swallowed. Please, I need something better now. I don't want to remember that. I just want to look at Pochta. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh. I said I didn't want to remember that. Oh, stop! I can't. Wow. I can't. Just thinking about this right now. Dude, you think this is the right time to say this right now? Okay, let me see this motivational speech. I guess look at the one when she came back home from work. Hey, you could work at it. Oh gosh. Now the only one he's gonna want is Makima. I love Kobani. Oh, I thought that was Aki. That would've been so cute. I don't want to think about this anymore. Somebody help him, please. My boy Denji, please already. Oh, her again? You need to get away. I can't. Oh, she's shrinking again. Is he dreaming? What the hell? Dude. Oh, Denji. What you thinking? Aki too? No way! He's fawning over you! It's you, girlfriend! Well, I'm sure he forgot about the barf kiss real fast. Did she whisper something to him? Whoa! Dude, they did you guys dirty with that ending. What the hell? I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna find out like right now in 2 minutes. Like, I can't. That barf scene, I can't. What the hell was that, guys? Oh man. Oh man, I don't know. That was not something I was prepared to see at all. But Denji killed the freaking monster. That was so insane. 3 days and 3 nights full on of him just attacking non-stop. He must be so exhausted. Well, he was for sure. And then he finally killed him, saved them all. And then, you know, everybody really started to respect Denji, really like him, asked for his forgiveness. They were saying that they were going to quit, but I don't think they're going to quit. I love Kobani now. She's adorable. She's definitely grown on me. Like, she looks so cute with her little outfit today. It's adorable. I love her. So I got to see the next episode. It's literally right now, and I don't even know what to think anymore, guys. Denji. Oh, Denji. We were left with a crazy cliffhanger. And I need to know what's gonna happen. Do you think it's gonna happen? I don't think so, actually. That's my prediction. I don't think it's gonna happen. But prove me wrong, Denji. Oh, it's probably gonna happen. What? Oh, okay. This is a little bit before. This is when she brought him home. Yo, what's up with her eye? I want to know what's under the eye patch. Oh, Denji looks so cute there. Dude, that sounds so refreshing right now. Oh, the angst. I need to know what's going to happen. Denji, wake up already. What happened? What happened when Denji was throwing up? Dude, this camera work. My goodness.
ありゃデンジ君なんで私ん家にいんの
Look at Denji's face.
私が連れてきたんだっけ
Yup.
で
クラクラなんじゃこりゃ
そういや君マキマさんのことラブでしょ
Yup.
クラクラする
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに
Wow.
アキ君
No, no, no. Not Aki. Not my boy Aki. Aki likes you. Dude, Denji. Her sparkling eyes.
しちゃう
Dude, Mappa animation is like freaking destroying the show. Okay, I need to know. No more delaying.
しちゃう
Oh, you know.
性行為
There we go. So what's her answer? Stick 'em up. What? She gonna...
はーいいい子
しちゃっていいのか
Like a kid?
いい子
マキマさんとするはずだったファーストキスを
Yeah, is he going
火
to...
で汚した女にその女に初めてを奪われていいのか
Are you gonna allow it? Or are you gonna wait for Makima? Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, well, no, I had a feeling it was gonna be no for a second. Maybe not.
よしよし
Something's gonna happen.
ポッケになんか入っちゃるよ
What?
チュッパチャップス来たね
What the hell? Why?
デンジ君大丈夫外の空気吸おっか
Was that a dream? Wait, was that a dream? Wait, what? Oh, because Makima gave him a lollipop.
寝る前に水と一緒に
Are you for real? So it's not gonna happen. I knew something was gonna happen to prevent that.
俺
And it's Makima's doing.
俺はこれからいろんな女性とキスをしてもきっとキスのたびにケロの味を
What are you gonna say,
思い出すのかな
Makima?
口開けて
Did this taste like barf? Look at her. She knows exactly what to say. Damn.
でも大丈夫デンジ君はこれから死ぬまでいろんな初めての味を体験する
Looks like it didn't happen, huh?
お前もエッチしたかったろ
Watch that.
でも俺初めては
I
マキ
knew
マさん
it! I knew it! I literally knew it!
私酔ってて何も
She doesn't remember anything?
私に乱暴なことされなかった
My God.
誰がケロ女とやっかよ俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ
よかったよ
Oh
かった
my.
未成年に手
Oh,
出したら
Denji.
逮捕だからね逮捕
Dude! What? How old is she? Wait, I didn't even think about this. And how old is Denji? Denji 16? How old is Makima? Wait. I got questions. What is this? What's going on? I didn't even think about
デンジ
this.
君は変わってるね普通この状況とか気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど
はぁしてるのになんで帰るの
デンジ君もマキマさん好きなの
超好き
Super like
例え
her.
ばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き
I like the
そうい
shit.
やデンジ君もマキマさん好きなの
Denji.
例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好きとマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか
Really? Okay. I don't know if that's a good idea. Makima's not good.
私と極秘で同盟を組もうじゃないかマキマさんとくっつける協力するからさ
Yes! I freaking knew it! Yes! Yes! I knew she liked Aki. I knew it. I got that vibe right off the bat, but I thought Aki liked her too. I like their ship more than Denji and Makima.
あいつんどこ好きなの？
顔
いいぜ。
じゃなくて友達で行こ
Oh yeah. Friends.
う。マジンちゃんとアキくんを連れてね。
マキマさんも来ねえかな。
Gosh, I don't trust her. I mean, she's clearly just using him. I couldn't say the same for Aki.
駅弁買っちゃおう。
Then again, Makima is very interested in Denji.
お腹空かせますよ。京都の偉い人たちと会いたくないな。みんなこう。
You can handle it.
昨日のお酒美味しかったわ。
Aw, you enjoyed it? Okay. Seems like there's more to her character than meets the eye, I guess. For some reason, I really got that vibe that, like, you know, she seems innocent and all, but, like, no, she is going to manipulate. She's going to do anything. I thought that she was not emotionally evolved. Like, she can emotionally detach herself. That's what I thought. But maybe she does want a little bit more in life. She does want things, but she can't because of her job. She has to stay composed. I don't know. I don't know with Makima, and why the hell did those people just duck? What was that? Why did they do that? Why did they do that? What's going on? Oh, they're in a tunnel. I'm like, what's going on? It's the ticket first. Wait! Wait! She's human, right? She's dead? Makima? What the What is going on? This can't be real. Wait, this is not real. That was a fake person. I don't know. What in the mother frickin' world? Wait, please, I want to know. Wait, who else are they gonna kill? Who are they killing? Who? Why? No, I like them now. I like them now. That's not fair. No. Oh.
意外と紳士なんだよ、デンジ君は。
She got a point there, honestly. Then you think, yeah.
幼少期に同じような味のもんしか食べてないと大人になってバカ舌になるらしい。
Bish, what the hell are
舌が
you?
バカだと幸福度が下がる。
The frick, mother fricker? Nobody was asking for your opinion. Unprovoked, okay?
店出るか。
Who the hell
俺
is
のじ
this
いちゃん
guy?
は世界一優しくてな。高い店でいいもん食わせてもらったな。必要悪っていうの。みんなに好かれた。江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
What?
何のつもりだ、
Oh,
てめえ。
wait! Oh my gosh, this was not what I expected. I need to read this again. But this was the guy who possibly was the reason why Denji had to work his entire life. I was wondering why Denji was looking at him listening. Like, why would he?
女子供も数えるほどしか
Who is his granddad?
約売った金で欲しいもん
His granddad was responsible for the reason why his dad has a lot of debt and why Denji had to work, right?
みんなに好かれた。江戸っ子仇のいい人だった。
Dude.
デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
He did not love him, right?
何のつもりだ、てめえ。
Rick, like he wants another life. Leave him alone.
て てめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
But he's not gonna die. No! Yeah! Power! Fun! Yeah! You cannot do this to these people. It's okay, Denji. We'll protect you. Dude, is she okay?
早川秋
Is she okay?
私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね
What?
人でも
Really? No! Oh. Really? Who is this scumbag? He's Roanoa Zoro! This guy is Roanoa Zoro! Whoa! He's using the sword, I just realized!
So
3? Come on, Aki, take him down! 2. What does that mean? 3. 1, I mean 1. Okay, what does that mean? Get the sword, grab the sword, get the sword. He's done, he's dead. Oh. He's gonna crush him. Fox Devil couldn't defeat that, so he had to rely on the sword. He didn't even think this time. She's okay, right?
見せた方がいいの
She's okay.
日本では警察と手ビル反対
That's right.
入手は不可能なのに
There's a lot of people who have guns.
いい動きだったね
Who is
どこ
this?
から来た
Who is this?
仲間か
What is she doing? She's not gonna revive him, right? Oh! What the hell? Even with his sword?
どうして負けた
油断した。マジで油断した。
Okay.
じゃあさっさと殺して
Really? I really thought... He sliced him! He sliced him! He sliced him, guys! Oh my gosh, I don't need to see... no, please. Please not Aki. It's okay. It's okay. Denji, help! Power! No. Power won't let that happen.
アキ君を助けて無理じゃんあいつの動き見えんかったもん
Where's Denji? Did Denji see it?
嫌だあの女
Oh, shit. So only Denji. She's obviously too weak. We know that. There's no way. Why is she looking at the blood? She's too
私に
weak?
全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせて
Alright. Dude, she's gonna like sacrifice her soul or something. What did she give? What did she give the ghost? To save Aki, she would do it.
アキ君は泣くことができる
Aki can cry.
デビルハンターは身近な死になりすぎて
Yeah.
涙が出なくなる
Yeah.
でもアキ君はすぐ泣く
Aww.
面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは酒を持って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな
Oh my god, she's gonna disappear! She'll do it for Aki! Wow. That's true love. No! And Aki has to watch it all.
死なないで
Don't die! Don't die on him either, though! Don't die!
私が死んだ時さ
No!
泣いてほしいからヘビ丸飲み
Is he dead? Please tell me she defeated him, though. Oh my god, he's gonna cry. I don't want to see Aki cry. Please. She's gone! I didn't even get to see her eye. Oh. No! What the hell? Why Why do the episodes go so fast? That was not fair. Whoa. This ending. Whoa. I like this ending. Wow. I thought we were gonna see so much more with Makima. I don't believe it. Dude, she's dead too? And Kobani's dead too, and the other guy? Makima. Oh. Who are these frickers? It's TK! No wonder I like this song. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Makima. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I said anything bad about you. No, I didn't want you to die, though. I wanted to see more. Oh, I have chills. I have literal chills. What the hell? I didn't want her to die. Wow. I think it's gonna motivate Aki like insanely. All his powers are just gonna get unleashed insanely, and this is gonna be Aki's growth. Like Aki is going to freaking kick ass. Like we thought that like his sword was like the ultimate Aki, but his screw loose, his crazy side is gonna come out right now, because him being so reasonable and composed is not how he's going to kill anybody. I mean, these are not devils. Well, they're like human devils, so I don't know, but like, or whatever they are, you know. I don't think they're fiends. They're just not a human, not a devil, so I don't know exactly what they are at this point. But I think that Aki is going to frickin' go crazy, like crazy right now. He's gonna cry like we said, so oh my gosh, I don't want to see Aki cry. It's gonna break me. I love Aki. We did not see Denji at all in that scene of what happened with all the guys, and I feel like that's a reason. I feel like there is a reason for that, because if we did see Denji, that means that he was probably going to kill someone or do something then, but looks like it's going to be Aki's turn. Aki is going to save everyone this time. Damn, I don't know, man. Is really Makima dead? Is she really dead? I don't know what to think about that, man. Her whole character was so complex, and I was trying to figure out her character. I was really trying to figure it out, because I was like, yo, it seems like she does have a little bit of feelings. It's like she has like a human emotions, but she knows how to use human emotions to manipulate someone, and each and every one. She, not just Denji, like everyone, she knows how to take what they want and what they like and motivate them in a way. I thought that she could like easily step back from her emotions though and just use people because of like her position and her job. But I don't know anymore. I don't know. Maybe they found out that she was just emotionally involved now, too much emotionally involved, because at the end we did see her like, oh, I like that place. Like she said that she liked going out for drinks. I don't know anymore, guys. Okay, I'm gonna edit this video because I don't know what the hell's going on. Whoa, I want to see next episode. What are you guys thinking? Let me know. I don't know. I don't know how to feel. I don't know what to feel anymore. I just need to see the next episode. Rick, I want Tuesday to come. I need Tuesday to come faster, guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest.